and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you from Mexico, specifically Mazatlan. It's one of my favorite places to go, so if you haven't been, you should probably check it out. Anyways, today we are going to do a haul of some of the dresses and little outfit sets that I brought with me. All of the stuff that's with me right now is from Blondie Boutique. It's one of my favorite stores. If you haven't checked it out, it will be linked down below. Anyways, let's get to it. Got some wild beachy hair going on today. So I'm going to start with some of the dresses that I brought along with me. They're very cute. Everything I get from Blondie is super adorable, has great style. Starting off with this one. This is a shorter dress. Probably one of the only short dresses that I brought with me, but it's got the lace up back, which is unreal. You get to see quite a bit of detail when you've got something like this with the back. It's got a lot of detail. I always get things in a size small. There are a couple things I get in mediums, but typically I stick with a size small from Blondie. The material is it's not crazy soft, but it is lacy, so it's a good material for going out. It's very light, very airy, very beachy. It's probably a good one for if you're going out at night too, something fancier. So there is that. Anyways, let's get into some of the dresses. This one here is one of my favorites. This is a really light material. This one is also in a size small, but it's a long dress. It's got some great accent points, like in the top where it's got the lace, so it gives it a little something. And then around the waist, it's got a nice little band that goes with it too. So that's nice. But it is a nice dress, and it does have the slits down the side in the front, which makes it flow when you walk, which I absolutely love. I'm a huge fan of anything that flows, and I do find that this is kind of a show-stopping piece. So keep an eye out for stuff like that, just because it's kind of nice to stand out once in a while. Blondie has a lot of really nice long dresses, and they usually have a really good flow to them, which is why I love them so much. Here's another one, another sundress. This one's more of a daytime-y dress than the others, but it's got some good accent pieces to it as well. The back has a little crisscross, got a nice little slit in the front, so you get a little bit of a fly to this dress as well. It is a very light material, and there is only one layer, whereas the last one had 2 layers to it. But it's something nice for if you're just trying to go to the beach, stick by the pool, you know, anything like that. It does, I will warn you, have a deep V. So if you're a little busty, you need to be prepared for that. Next up, we have this one. So this one works in a couple of different ways. It's a nice long dress, but it's got this band at the top that you can either use just around the neck or tie it around your waist as well. There's a couple different ways. I'll show you all 3 ways, but I do love the color of this because it is a very faded ombre sort of style to it, which is nice. It is a heavier dress, so you need to be prepared that if you are gonna wear it out off to the beach or something, you're probably gonna get a little warm. It's a bit humid here, so this is more of like a nighttime dress for me. I love wearing stuff like this out, especially when it's got the high neck, because it does keep it from being a little bit too sexy. So that's really nice. Next up, we have another cute little sundress. I love black and white, and I love stripes because I feel like they just make you look so much skinnier, pull everything in, and that's always a good thing. This one's a little off the shoulder kind of number. I love stuff like that too. It's got a tie around the waist to give you an accentuated hip, and then the buttons actually undo all the way down, which is nice for when you're trying to get it on, because sometimes, again, with the humidity, you get a little sticky. I always get a little sticky. So it's nice to be able to fit this around even when you're struggling. I find that a lot of dresses, for me anyways, can be a little difficult for me to get on. Sometimes it just doesn't go over my booty. Sometimes my hips are just a bit too wide. So it is nice to have something that's so open and that you can actually work with like that. Next up, this is one of my personal favorites. It would work as a beach dress, but I like it more as an evening kind of dress for dinners. It's got the low cut top to it, again, so be prepared for that. But it's got kind of like a tie-dye material to it, but it does flow the same as that red dress that I showed you earlier. It's got a little bit of a fly to it when you walk, and I like that. Except this one has an even lighter material than the last one, so that's great for if you're doing beach stuff or doing humidity stuff. Everything in Mexico is super humid. I don't know if you've been here before, but right now especially, it is crazy humid. So that is that one. And then after that, I brought a couple of sets. So for starters, this guy here has a cute little top. It's nice for if you are bustier, again, because it does cover more. I'm not a huge fan of this little flower on the shoulder, but I would probably just cut that off. It comes with a skirt, and the skirt is very long, very flowy, and it's nice and color blocked, which is something that I like. Again, the stripes make me look slimmer, so I'm a huge fan of stripes all the time. I do like to wear the skirt by itself, honestly, with something plain on the top, not necessarily as a set, which is the nice part of sets, is you can get a bit of both and you can get two different looks out of one purchase. It's easier to pack things that are very versatile because then you don't have to pack as much, you don't have to bring as much. Even though my suitcase for this trip was gigantic. Oops. Anyways, next set, here's another little one. This little pant set though, it looks like it has a cute little top that I probably could wear as strapless, but it does have some little straps with it. There's a nice little tie on the front of the top, which takes away from the actual cleavage itself. Always nice every once in a while. The pants with it are long. They've got a little short underneath them. The shorts go only to about here, and then afterwards you've got just lace, which makes it a nice little accent piece. They're very bell-bottomy. That style has just come back, so that's nice. So that is that set. Next up, this is also one of my personal favorites. This set has got a cute little top, and I love the broken line kind of style to it. It zips up in the back, and the back has some nice little accent strings just to give you a little something. It's a very light material. I'm a huge fan of very light, very airy materials. The pants that go with it are very slimming. I do love the style of this because it's got the same light, airy feel where there's shorts underneath and then it goes into a slit that flies open while you walk. I love stuff like that. That's one of my personal favorite styles. There is a nice band to go around the waist to kind of accentuate your hips a bit more, or your waist, I guess. That's what I should have said, my waist a little bit more. The last one I'm going to show you is a little beach outfit. Again, it's a little set. I would not wear it without a swimsuit or something underneath, but it's got the little capped shoulder sleeves. Wow, tongue-tied. And it ties in the front, so you got a cute little outfit from that. You can always wear the top with something under it and a pair of shorts as well. Again, that's my favorite thing about these sets is that you can wear them in multiple ways. The pants, same thing. They are lace, completely lace, and very cute, very stretchy, and very comfy. They do also have the slits in them. But yeah, so there's that. And last but not least, I don't know if you've seen this in one of my other hauls, but I love bringing kimonos with me on trips. Kimonos are one of my absolute favorite things of life. This is one that I got from Blondie. It's very see-through, so it's just like a little extra piece to add to something. I would probably wear it with something a little more simple than anything else I've shown you. Everything I've shown you has been kind of a showstopper piece, and this one is kind of something to add on to something simple. But it does up in the middle, the tie, or you can leave it open. It's a good little piece for all of the above. It's a good little piece to wear out at night to add something to an outfit that's very simple, makes you look a little bit more elegant, and I love overall. There's a lot of clothes here. They're very heavy. Man, oh man. But I hope you enjoyed the haul. I hope you enjoyed checking everything out. Everything I've got here is either one size or small. That's typically just what fits me. I don't know, people have issues with sizing just because they think that when they look at a size, it means something, but it doesn't. Some sizing for some different brands are just different. So sometimes you just have to order bigger. But I'm stuck with small for all of these ones. They are typically very stretchy, very comfy materials, and that's something that I love. So anyways, I am leaving Mexico tomorrow. I've got to go get packed now that I've shown you all of the clothes that I brought with me. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Like, comment, and subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up. Big thumbs up. If you like this haul, check out my last one from Blondie and my other one, which is a Calvin Klein haul, and everybody likes lingerie. Comfy lingerie is the best. Thanks for following. Check out my Instagram at Alanna Pearson. Check out my Snapchat at Alanna. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.